Hello everyone, it's me Sato again from Low Level Cosplay, and today we are back with a new part of the How to Cosplay series, and in this part I'm gonna show you how you can sew a zipper the correct way in any pants that you like. If you like the content that I create, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and without further ado, let's do it. So first of all we need to prepare the pants first, and for this you will have to sew the right and left leg together from the middle line up to this point. Now that this is done, you need to mark the front middle line with the colored yarn, so the next steps will be a bit easier. And this is what it looks like so far. In the next step you need to fold the right side about 2 cm from the previously marked line, and the left side will be folded directly on the marked line itself. If you want to sew a zipper in a girl's pants, you just need to mirror each step. After I folded these parts, I ironed it so they will stay in place. It's finally time for the zipper to be attached, and for this you put it on the right side so the iron parts touches the folded line, and it will be then sewed in place with the zipper foot. Now that the right side is attached, we will be sewing on the left side, and for this you need to put the previously marked lines on top of each other so that the extra fabric hangs over the zipper, so then you can sew it in place with the zipper foot. We are almost done, but to protect your best parts down there from the zipper, we will attach an extra piece of fabric on the inside. It needs to be a bit bigger than the zipper itself and will be put edge to edge on the right side. To prevent the zipper on the left side from shifting, we will add the top stitch, and for this I use masking tape as a guidance because it can be easily removed and sewn over. The lower part of the top stitch will also get a curve facing to the right side. For the last step you just need to remove the guidance yarn and your zipper is done. So this was the tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion. And if you have anything in mind that I can make next or any improvement for this channel, just let me know in the comments down below and I will try my best as usually. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave a comment what you like, what you dislike. I like to interact a little bit more with you. Otherwise, I have also social media where you can contact me if you have any questions. And until then, see you next time. Have a great day. And I'm out.